This video is supposed to be a demonstration of the 55-degree detailer simple wood turning tool, and it is actually going to be that. But we're going at this video a little different way because I sort of goofed on how I did this bowl originally. I'm going to set this down. You can see here that this, I glued a waste block to the bottom of this bowl, and I had it like this on here, and it's not near big enough, and when I went to hollow it, I busted it. So we're going to take this off of here and throw it in the garbage. There. And we're going to put this on here and do this the way that we should have done it to start with. And what I'm really going to demonstrate is how to make a dovetail tenon with the 55-degree detailer so that we can mount this chuck on here. The first thing I got to do though is part my mistake off of here. So I'll just get this, grab the parting tool. A little bit of a wobble to it now too, so actually I think I'll move this more like this here. Yeah, still got to be back a little farther. Make sure that's clear. Yeah, looks good. And we'll go up to about 1500 here, I think. Yeah. A little bit rough there. And I always like to kind of go back and forth with the parting tool, make a groove that's wider than the tool, so it doesn't get stuck in there. There it is. Alright, we'll just clean the bottom off there. There, got that done. So yeah, this is the simple parting tool, and we've got our simple start handle on this one. So that's what that tool is. Now, let's see, I think I want to flatten the bottom of this too, just to clean up my mistake there. So we use a simple rougher for that. Speed this guy up a little because we're working on the bottom of the bowl. This is the 6-inch radius cutter. I'm going to actually take this tenon off of here completely because it's too small. Flatten the bottom of the bowl. Okay, now we'll come in from the side. And make a tenon. Now our tenon, we want to make sure that it's shorter than the vise or the jaws of the chuck are long. So you can see we're about halfway there. I'm going to make it a little bit deeper because what you don't want is the bottom of your tenon to bottom out on the chuck. So I'm going to go about like so. We're going to stop right there and measure my size. So I've got this chuck open all the way, and you want to do this, you want your chuck to be open as wide as you can. It doesn't quite fit on there, so I'm going to go down just a little bit more. Yep. Try that. Oh man, we're just about there, but not quite. Yeah, so if you see there, it won't bottom out. The bottom of the bowl won't bottom out on the face of the chuck, which is what you want. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Try that. Just go a little bit at a time. Oh man, I can just about push it on there. Let's speed this up a little bit too, because we're getting kind of small. All right, let's try that. Oh man, almost dropped my tool. Won't quite fit on there yet. That's okay. I'm gonna go to the 50 or the 55 and finish it with that. So what we want to do here is make a dovetail that matches the angle of this, of course. So we'll go ahead and I'll cut the rest of it with this. So this is really the only tool that you can do this with. I went a little too deep, that's okay. Now, does that fit on there? It does. Okay. So what we'll do now, I got it a little small, but that's okay. So we're going to tighten this down on there. Now if you look in here, right in there, you can see how the bottom of the bowl doesn't bottom out on the face of the chuck jaws. That's what you want. That'll give you the widest area for this, for the bowl to rest on. And of course now, if I can get this off of here, there it comes. Get this out of the way. Just a matter of reversing it, of course. We got her mounted in our 4-jaw chuck. Take the faceplate off, put the hollowing system on, and we'll be ready to hollow this out, and it won't pop off like it did last time. So again, that's the simple, I guess we use the simple 55-degree detailer. We use the simple parting tool and a simple rougher, all Harrison Specialties made simple wood turning tools. So we'll try this again, like I said, with the hollowing system, and I think we'll have better luck this time. Thanks for watching.